I was curious with this prep project that I used to do called melted leeks, if there was potentially a better way to do it. So I took the original method of really thinly sliced leeks and blanching them in salted water and then shocking them and then cooling them down. That's inside of this pot. But I had this thought of when you're blanching the leeks, isn't a lot of the flavor getting steeped into the water that you just throw away? And so inside of this pot, we did the same cutting technique, but we steamed them instead. So a thin layer of water, and I just pressed a cover on top of these, steamed them for probably just the same amount of time that these were blanching until they were tender, and I hope that these have a more leaky flavor than these ones. I'm gonna glaze these with a little bit of butter and then we'll taste them. I've got original on my left and I've got our steamed leeks on my right. Let's go ahead and taste the original first. Not bad, it's delicate, but with all of the leeks that I've been smelling as we've been cooking these, it's just not that intense. It is very texturally satisfying on your palate, but let's try the steamed instead. Deeper, sweeter. Wow, it's like less hollow tasting, if that makes sense. Like this tastes more hollow than these ones, and these feel like they taste much more like themselves.
That's bomb.
Isn't it? And now go back to this. I want to actually go back to this and taste it. But doesn't it taste like someone dialed it down?
It just seemed like all the flavor was washed out.
Washed out. That's why we do side by sides.